Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will see what is the Fluent Builder pattern in .NET, and along with that first we should know that what is the Fluent Builder pattern. It means that we write the complex objects step by step using a clean and readable code. Okay, so first we should know that why we use the Fluent Builder pattern. So it means that first we see that an object requires many configuration steps. Okay, and we will see that what kind of configuration steps we will require. Okay, but at the same time we see that some properties may be optional or not, and along with that we want the readable object constructions as well. Okay, so such kind of things we always like Fluent Builder. But if you want to avoid the constructors with the 10 plus parameters and 12, 15 plus parameters, okay, so sometimes it and you have to parameter like you have to set the parameters in a particular order while you creating the constructor. Okay, so it means that you face so many things while writing the uh, objects. Okay, so that's why we need the Fluent Builder pattern in the .NET. So first let's see how we can implement the Fluent Builder. Okay, so before starting, okay, first I will create a class object. Okay, so simply I will start with the public. Okay, public sealed I will make as a sealed class, which means that I don't want to like make accessible to other class. Okay, so public class. Okay, along with that what I need to do, okay, simply I will just use the person class. Okay, in the person class I will have some properties. Okay, so first I will take the properties like person name. Okay, along with that I will take the another property which must be integer of age. Okay, perfect. So this is the another property, and likewise I will take the another property of the person's address. Okay, so this is the simple object. Okay, and we will apply the Fluent Builder. Okay, so along with that let's take the city as well. Okay, or region. Along with that we will take the postal code. Okay, so we have the few properties like this. Now I will take the constructor of this class. Okay, now I will create the constructor. Okay, and I will pass the same parameters that is required. Okay, so string address. Perfect. Along with that string city. Okay, or string region, and the string uh, what should be postal code, and string country. Perfect. Okay, now I will pass these parameters one by one here. Okay, so first I will just pass the name, and I will assign the things like this. Perfect. Address or city, region, postal code, and country. Okay, so we have made the constructor of the person's class. Okay, after that what you have to do, I will create a person builder. Okay, first we should know that what's the purpose of the person builder, because we will take the help of the person builder to define the things related to these properties. Okay, so let's see how the things will go. So first public. Okay, public, and I will make a sealed class as well. Okay, in the sealed class I will define the person builder class. Okay, in the person builder class what I will do here, I will just create the some properties. Okay, name. Okay, and in the name I will just make it as a empty. Along with that I will take the age. Okay, now address should be empty as well. Okay, I will define the things like this. or city, along with that region or postal code, and the country, private string, country, like this. Super. Perfect. Now, what you have to do, I will create the methods to implement such kind of things. Okay. So first method would be public builder. Okay. Person builder. Superb. Now, I will create a method to set name. Okay. So I will just take as a set name method. In the setName method, I will just pass the parameter as a string name. Okay. Or along with that, simply I will just what is like I will just take as a underscore name or name, like this. Okay. So in this way, we can create the properties like this. I think I made a mistake. Okay. And let me uh, enclose in this block. Okay. I forgot to mention this thing. Okay. Now I will return this. Okay. So it means that that I have created the set name property, set name method. In the set name method, I just assign these values to the these. Okay. Or along with that, I'm returning the name string. Now, again, I I will create the method. Okay. Or simply I will just use the underscore age equals to age. Okay. And return this. So I will create another method for the addresses. Okay. Address equals to address, or simply I will return this, or public person builder. In the person builder, I will set the now the next is city. Okay. So set city is string city. Perfect. And in the city, like Fluent Builder is a approach to make your code cleaner and cleaner object as well. Okay. So public person builder. In the person builder, I will set the next thing is that region. Okay. So set region. Okay. In the set region, I will just pass the region string. Okay. Or simply I will assign the same things like this. Or guys, it is a very good and simplest approach to implement the Fluent Builder. Now the next is person builder, and I will set the postal code like this. In the postal code, simply I will just take as a postal code. Okay. Or along with that, in the curly braces, I will define the things like postal code. Superb. And I will return this method. Or in the and I will set the country, or I will just name it as a country, or along with that, I will pass the country parameter here, and simply I will return this. Okay. So we have set all the parameters that we will gonna send to here. Now I will create another method for the person class. Okay. Which I will build all those parameters into the set builder. Okay. So let's see. Simply I will just create another method. Okay. That will return the person type. In the person type, I will create a method which should be built. In the build method, I will return a new person object. In the new person object, what I will do, simply I will just return the name, age, and along with that address. Okay. And city and region, along with that postal code or country. So such kind in the such way we can define the things like this. Okay, and we have developed the build method. But before going further, we have forgot to add a new thing. It should very necessary to implement this thing. Okay, so I will create a static type method. Okay, and this static type method I will simply just create an empty method. Okay, in the empty method I will the object, like the main objective is to send, like to create the empty person builder class. Okay, so in such a way we define the things. Now we have implemented the things related to the all these properties. Okay, and you see that how is the important thing we have done so far. Now what I will do, simply I will just open the solution explorer. Okay, and I will create a new class. In the new class I will just name it as a mm, I will just name it as a person fluent builder. Super. Okay, or I will copy the whole code like this. Okay, or simply I will just paste it here. Super. So that our program cs and the class file is separated. Okay, now and I will create the now I will start the things from here. Okay, and first what you have to do, I will just use the where I will just create the person name. Okay, in the person name what you have to do, simply I will just take the person name. In the person name I will call the just wait for some let me see here, empty method. Okay, so the empty uh, builder. Super. Okay, and I will just use the okay. So we made a mistake here. Simply I will just I have to put this method here. Okay, I thought that what I have mistake done here. Okay, so now what I will do, simply I will just call the method uh, builder. Okay, in the builder method I will just start using the uh, method. Okay, so first method is set name. In the set name method I will just use the set I will just pass the Rohan. Okay, and I will, and along with that the set age. Okay, set age. Perfect. In the set age I will pass like number, or along with that set address. In the set address I will just the things like this, or city. Okay, so set city is like again I will just use the Jaipur. Okay, or okay, and in the set city after that set region. Okay, so the set region, in the set region I will just pass as Jhotwada. Okay, now set postal code. The set postal code is like this, and along with that the country, the set country I have to pass the string like this. Okay, and we have defined the things like this. Now what you have to do, I will create another method to print these results. Okay, so that we can confirm that everything goes work or not. Okay, so and it is a very important thing to understand that like everything is working fine or not. Okay, so simply I will create a method public void and print details like this. In the print details function, I will choose to create the console dot write line. In the console dot write line, I will simply I will just create the string like this, and I will pass all the things. Okay, or I will pass the things like this. Super. Now what I will do, simply I will call the method, just use the build method here. Okay, I forgot to add here. Now I will just add the print details. In the print details, I will add the method like this, and if I run this code, then you will see that in the console the all details will be printed here. Okay, or we will get the results like this, that all the results that we are passing, Rohan 25, Jaipur Jodwada 30 2012, and country is India. Okay, so such kind of, in the such way we can pass and we can create and implement the Fluent Builder in the .NET. Okay, and if you love this video, if you love this content, so I just want to tell you that hit the like button and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, your network as well. And guys, I just want to tell you that if you want this source code, okay, so I will add the source code in on my website. Okay, and you will find the source code you have to go to the f2bstack.com. Okay, in the f2bstack.com you will find my source code in the blog section. In the blog section you will find the latest blog inside here. Okay, and you will you will find the code section in in the section. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and guys, I will add the blog soon as well. Okay, so that you will find your code here. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till here, and take care guys. Bye bye, have a good day.